Hello everyone. Today, well, you should already know what we're gonna do today, but we're taking the Mobeetle6 from Happy Model for a little stick cam, just something fun. Really haven't had too much to bring to video format. I've got some builds I've worked on and some different things we may see on the channel. Just kind of depends. But from time to time, really not all that often, maybe I've done it 2 or 3 times on the channel, not including the radio reviews. I like to do a stick cam, just kind of fun. One time it, come home for lunch, take one battery, put it in some quad, record it, with the chest mount and everything. But before you move on, I wanted to also tell you that I haven't given my other one away. Yeah, so in the last giveaway, I said you had 3 days to come back. And I still haven't heard from the winner of that one. So there's no getting your winnings. I'm sorry if you see this video and you didn't see the results video that lets you know that you need to get in contact with me and all that. But that's a good point to bring up. So we're going to have a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away, not this quad, because I did change some things, which we'll cover in just a second. But we're giving away the secondary Mobeetle6 that Happy Model sent. Of course, you'll get the outdoor frame, the indoor frame, and a secondary outdoor frame, because I don't think I'm going to end up using it. And it'll come in a box with an accessories and the stickers and all that stuff. So all you have to do to get in the giveaway is leave a comment, any comment. We can still have a discussion down there. I'll use the YouTube comment picker that filters out duplicates for us so we can have discussions or anything of that nature, and it won't throw you out as far as the giveaway goes. But if you're not subscribed, probably is a good idea, but not required, so you do see the results video, so we don't have a repeat of what happened last time, where the winner doesn't know they've won. I'll extend the amount of time to 5 days to reach out to me after the results video is posted. I'll take care of the shipping. I'll just ship it to you for free. You just got to tell me where I need to ship it to, the shipping information. If you by chance didn't see the review video on this, I'll link that down in the video description. If you just see that you want one per this stick cam, I'll link. I think there should be a few more resellers with this now, but I'll link those down in the video description as well. Before we get to that stick cam, the one question I get asked consistently about the Mobeetle6 is it better than the Mobeetle6? Yeah, it's got Express LRS, it's got a 400 milliwatt VTX, it's lighter. So those things should make it better. And you have that secondary frame that you're going to get to where you can transition it outside to fly it in a non-whoop format. If you liked the original Mobeetle6 and you're looking at the canopy, that's another thing. They have a better canopy now. It's got 4 points for mounting, so you don't get the bobbles and wobbles and the little piece of foam that they shoved under the Mobeetle6 camera. So yeah, those are the reasons why I think it's better. So if you like the Mobeetle6, you may like the Mobeetle6 equally as much, but the hardware specs make it better. It flies differently. I will concede that. It flies a little bit differently. In my opinion, it doesn't fly worse. It just flies differently. Okay, let's get to the stick cam. Don't forget, got to comment below in order to get in on the giveaway, and make sure you ring that bell and hit the subscribe button so you'll see the results video, because there will be a results video. As we start this flight, note that I am using old and tired batteries. Why am I doing that? Well, I don't have a lot of 1S batteries with a battery lead on it, and with the changes that I made with the Meteor 65 frame and shortening the battery lead, I need that battery lead on there in order to be able to plug in and unplug with relative ease. If I had my preference, I'd probably flying the Newbie Drone Nitro Nectar Gold batteries, but they won't work when I've, toilet tanked the battery and I've got the short little lead, so I've got to have a lead on top of there, and I didn't want to build a little lead in order to plug in a traditional stick battery. So these old 350s, they are tired, lots of sag right off the arm, so if you notice that right away, I get a lot of suggestions for people telling me which batteries to fly. I have flown most of the batteries out there, and there are some that are better than others. In this particular case, my batteries are just old and tired. And you'll see, I fly them kind of hard, which means they probably need to be replenished, which I've got an order in to get more of these. I did try 300s. Angry Don came by and said, please use 300s. I got really short flight time with my 300s, so maybe they're just as tired and just as old, but they have that less capacity, and therefore my flight was even shorter, like a minute 15. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm going to have you just listen to the rest of the flight, not me talking here. And don't forget, comment below to get in on that giveaway. Hit the thumbs up. Last time we got to 500 thumbs up, way faster than I thought so. So hit the thumbs up. I'd sure appreciate it. Not part of the contest, but let's see how many likes or thumbs up on the video we can get. Okay, I'm going to head out. I appreciate your time. And thanks for watching. Oh, geez. Ping pong. Oh, so close. Over rotation. Yeah, that battery's not terrible, but it's not good. I've flown it a lot.